Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect loaded potatoes at home. So, I have these russets. Levi, what's up? Those aren't potatoes, man. That's your rig. Pfft, don't be ridiculous. Sorry about that, guys. With a rig like this, sometimes you have trouble telling the difference.
This is a Dell Dimension 4600 from 2004. It sports an ancient Intel Pentium 4 processor, two 20GB IDE hard drives that can only run Linux, a motherboard that resets the time and date every time I turn it on, and a video card that only outputs an accurate signal if I abuse the VGA cable. It's also very slow, but can it game? Well, how about that? I guess it can. Oh wait, never mind. It would mean a whole lot to me if I could get a new rig, not only to try out all the free games I've been accumulating, but also to try my hand at content creation. A serious interest of mine. I think it's clear that my current PC doesn't make a very good rig, but does it make a good potato?
Let's find out!